Hello again. In my last video, I was using Ventoy. I figured I'd make a quick short video on where to download it, how to install it, and how it works. So in this video, I will be showing you where you need to go for downloading Ventoy, and then we'll show how to install it. So first, let's go. You'll need to go to ventoy.net. Once you get there, you'll click downloads, and then depending on your operating system, Windows or Linux, most people are Windows, go ahead and download that. I already have it downloaded and I've already extracted it. As you can see, go in here, and then once you have it extracted, find the Ventoy 2 disk and double click it, and it will open up this program. As of the time of this recording, version 1.1.10 is what is available. Make sure you have your flash drive selected, and then you're going to want to click install. And it's going to say all data will be lost on that drive. So go ahead and click yes, and then double checking that you want to do this, click yes, and let it run. All right, it is now done. We can go ahead and close this. You can see Ventoy showed up. This is where you're going to want to locate your transfer all your ISOs and get them loaded onto your flash drive. So I already have Bazzite, NVIDIA Linux, Linix Mint, Cinnamon, and Windows 11 just for testing purposes. Go ahead and copy these and get them transferred over. It takes about a minute to transfer over. Once this is done transferring, I'll go ahead and unplug it from my computer and plug it into my test computer to show you how to get this installed on any computer that you plug in. Basically, when you go to plug it in, you're going to want to make sure you go into your BIOS. Depending on your system, you may have to look it up. My test system, hitting spam and the delete key as it's booting up will take you to the BIOS. But I will get that started here in a minute. All right, that is now done. Let me get this plugged into my test computer. Turn the test computer on. And now we will wait for it to go to the BIOS. Spamming the delete key. There you go, go into the BIOS now. And we're in the BIOS. This particular BIOS, you need to hit F7 to go to advanced. Then you want to come over to boot, boot override, select that Sabrent drive that I have. You'll need to know what yours is called when you do this. And go ahead and hit enter in this particular BIOS, and then it'll load into Ventoy. And as you can see, those 3 ISOs that I loaded are located here. So if you're going to install Windows, scroll down, hit enter, and then select into normal boot mode, and then let's wait for it to start loading. It takes a second to load into its install process. But that's basically the gist of getting Ventoy set up. As you saw, I have a 1 terabyte flash drive that I use. You can store a lot of ISOs in 1 terabyte. But the other nice thing is I preload when I'm doing a Windows install. As you noticed in my last video, I preloaded all the drivers onto the same flash drive. That way I could access it and get it going. So that is it for this video. Thank you.